It's Saturday afternoon, the 9th of November, 2019. In getting ready, I need to finish getting the Skag finished, or getting it, sorry, need to get the Skag finished and get it back on the airplane in a finished manner, where it's keep the water from rain and everything, so all this will have like a lip seal. I'll make sure it's all waterproof around both ends of these. This will just bolt in, just flashing, you can run straight down. But just the way I'm making this up is this will all fit in a nice seal all the way around. May even use some flex seal, I don't know, we'll see. Right now I'm using JB Weld plastic epoxy. And so first thing was, needed to get some templates that have the holes where the holes are on the airplane to match it. So when I get done with all this, I can lay each piece of these tapes, and on the other side, and I'll get this one done. It'll be tape with, and then the holes will be punched through and marked, and that tape will stay on and use as the base coat to do the inside layer like we've got here, and then like we got here. So I've already taken, well, not this side. Let's see, let's just move it around a little bit here. A lot of heavy damage up in here, and this is the upper part that goes into the rudder. This stuff is really cracked bad, so I'm digging into it to good rubber and good solid foundation to build off of. But so this one now is with the tape removed. So this side has the tape on it and do all the markings, and then I did the epoxy, and I did the same. I actually started with this side first, that one second, because it's still wet. This one's more wet than this one. This one got to a point that it had set up enough to hold its shape, and then I removed the duct tape, and so I marked the line. That's the edge where that duct tape's going to go back, and then we're going to drill our holes. And it had been eaten down along trail, so to speak, that I actually, on both sides, lift the tape out a little bit further, and then set that up as a mold, or so the tape is sitting this way. It had a little lip to it all the way down with a gap, and then I just, on the other side, and so the tape's on the bottom now, and I'm putting epoxy in, and I made I brought the tape out the same way as this. The tape is out from what the edge is, because it's not true edge, it's all rotted and been whacked. So I brought it out just a hair and made a whole new line on both sides of these, and that's basically what I'm going to end up doing all the way around. Then this one's good. This one's got the line all the way around. It just needs to actually be reversed. I had to put this, I was just making the tape so I know where the drill holes are, so I didn't do epoxy with this. This one was already done. But I just need a template for the drill holes, and now what I'll do is put tape on the inside and do the outside that's underneath the tape, which looks a lot like that. Not quite as bad though. But anyway, it's the JB Weld plastic epoxy is really doing the trick. I mean, highly impressed, because it's hard to get plastics to really bond to where everything else breaks but the bond. Anyway, and that's the dorsal fin in the Skag, and getting ready to head out and get the prop done, head out to Oklahoma and see how it goes. In the meantime, I just keep working, fixing, upgrading parts, finding new parts, and I just stay busy doing that. And I'm not even close to being done, but I've made a great progress so far, and you know, by the time I'm done with this plane, it'll be I will know how serviceable everything is, because I feel pretty good about it. It just, some of the things as I get to learn stuff and new stuff, I need to look at that. So right now my concern is some of the aluminum fuel lines, if they got corrosion on them, can make a pinhole and start losing fuel. So I need to check the whole entire fuel system, vents, all the hoses. It's 1964, and sitting in sun, and weather, and up at altitude. Yeah, it's hard on it. So anyway, that's my thoughts for the day. You guys have a good day. Talk to you there. Bye.